In this video, I'll show you how to detach a screen session from a terminal in Ubuntu. First, let's make sure you're using the screen tool. If you don't have it yet, you can install it with this command: sudo apt install screen. Now, let's say you've already started a screen session. You might have done it like this. Screen. Once you're inside the screen session, you can run any command you like. But if you want to leave the session running in the background without closing it, you need to detach it. To detach the session, press the following keys in this exact order. Hold down Ctrl, then press A, then press D. So, Ctrl plus A, then D. After that, you'll return to your normal terminal. The screen session is now running in the background. It's not closed, it's just detached. To check that it's still running, type screen ls. You'll see a list of active screen sessions. If you want to go back to the detached session later, use this command, screen r. That will reattach the session and you'll pick up right where you left off. This is useful if you're running long tasks or remote processes and want to come back to them later. And that's how you detach a screen session in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.